How's it going, guys? Nick from Insetta Boatworks here. Just wanted to show off the latest 35 IFC to leave the factory. This boat's equipped with a Rodan bow-mounted trolling motor. She's got the Easy Anchor Polar windlass up there, just like all the rest of our boats. White upholstery, monster coffin boxes here with the bow table and a bunch of extra goodies. As you can see, a lot of index storage on these boats. Garmin open array radar, night vision. You can see a macerator pump in our forward storage box there. And you'll see the insulated fish box behind it. Inside the console, we've got a nice vanity with sink. We've got an electric flush head, and we have the batteries for the Rodan mounted under the vanity as well. At the helm, you'll find 22-inch Garmins. They are absolutely huge and fit the space perfectly. We've also got wireless phone chargers, C-deck up top to hold all your goodies, and JL audio sound system all around the boat. This boat even has a sunroof built into it, which is pretty cool and the first time we've done it. 3 wide helm seating, super comfortable spot. Moving back, you'll see one of our 2 live wells set up in the corners, rod holders behind them, upgraded dive ladder, twin Mercury 300 V8s. We even added this little shower so you can get a freshwater rinse when you come out of the water after a day at the sandbar or diving. One more live well. And we've got our tackle and rigging station here with more storage inside. Dual row rocket launchers, one on the T-top, one right behind the leaning post. And insulated cooler that's also plumbed to be a live well. Good spot to keep your pinfish and other baits. So you've got 3 wells total in this boat, which gives you a lot of options when it comes to storing different types.